It's your girl Key here with another video. Today I am presenting you with Luna. So if you don't know what Luna is, Luna was created by my boy Khalid Muhammad and Justin Chase, guys. These guys have put together their tactic on how they have exploded their YouTube channel, guys, from starting at 0 to 1,000 subscribers, man. These people is literally helping you step by step through your YouTube journey. If you want to know how to scale your YouTube from 0 to 1,000 and start making bank on YouTube, stay with your girl Key, because I will be exposing their inside of Luna, and I will be exposing my super duper insane bonuses to scale this product to the max. So if you're interested in scaling your YouTube channel to the highest level it can possibly get and start making money with your YouTube channel, stick with your girl to the end of the entire video so you will not miss a thing. And let's head in the inside of this review. Alright guys, we are now on the sales page of Luna, so let's go to the sales page and see what it's all about. So right here it says, skyrocket your earnings today, no hassle and pure results, guys. And if you would like to head over and watch this short video, you totally can. Just hit my link in the bio through my comments and check out this video. But right here on the right hand section of the sales page, it says make your videos go viral. If you don't know what viral is literally millions and thousands of people viewing your content. So it's not going to be just your neighbor or your mom doing your stuff. It's going to be everybody in the whole freaking world. So if you want to make your YouTube videos go viral, this product is totally for you. So right here it says, no prior experience needed, without any technical knowledge. And like I said in the previous intro, we are going to be getting step-by-step training. And on top of that, they're going to be exposing their free software which they use to get amazing results. And right here it says results or your money back guaranteed. So that is an awesome deal when it comes down to you buying something, and if you don't get any results, you get your money back. So that's super duper dope. And like I said, this product is brought to you by Khalid Muhammad, one of my boys, and Justin Chase, guys. Like I said, these guys know what they're doing. They have been doing this for a good minute, and I already seen their results, so I know what I'm talking about. And you can totally check out their own YouTube channels to see for yourself, guys. These guys have exploded my mind when it comes down to progressing on YouTube. I never seen nothing like this, and they are giving this to you step-by-step training, and they are not leaving anything out. So right here, this is a demo I actually have on my bonus page. So if you want to check out this demo, you totally can click the link below in my description or in my comments to see that video. And right here, these are some earnings from the guys. And like I said, this really works, man. They are making money just by using the right strategies, man. You have to use the right strategies. So if you don't know how to start making money, if you don't know how to explode your videos with viewers, this is a product for you guys. So right here, they have some testimonials from Nick, Deepa, and Kieran. I don't want to butcher his name, but I think it's Kieran. And they have used this product also, and they have seen great results, guys. I'm about to scroll over, to their bonuses. I want to show you their bonuses on top of my super duper insane bonuses, but their bonuses is super awesome too. So right here, this is bonus number 1. Profit abundance. So this says 40 HQ products to give away as bonuses. So you're gonna these are free bonuses, guys, that Luna is giving out. These are absolutely free for the front end price. So you'll be getting freaking 40 products you can give away as bonuses. And right there, they got LinkedIn profits, drive an insane amount of traffic leverage in LinkedIn, guys. Then they have Profit Mania, reach top 10 of vendors, leaderboards, and easy profits up to $100 or $1,000 days on a regular basis, guys. Who don't want to make an extra $100 a day or even up to $1,000 a day? They are not holding back when it comes down to Luna. And right here, they got bonus number 4. This is coin smash, all about the cryptocurrency, how to start making that without even investing in cryptocurrency, man. And then they got commission blast. So this is free traffic, leads, and sell boosters. Don't forget, all these bonuses that I just went over, these are absolutely free. So this package deal is completely awesome. I went ahead over to the inside of Luna so you'll know exactly what you're going to be getting when it comes down to purchasing this product. So right here on the left hand side, you have all the categories in which they'll be going over in this product. So right here, you have the amazing welcome from you guys, Justin Chase and Kaleem Muhammad. And right here, on the, like I said, on the left hand side, these are more videos in which they'll be going over. So right here, you got the rank boosters. This is talking about all the keywords. You got the SEOs. You got some softwares included in which you can use to optimize your YouTube channel. And then they have click-through rates. They're giving you the titles, what kind of titles you should be writing. They give you the thumbnails you should be orchestrating and using when it comes down to making your YouTube channel more just stand out when it comes down to everybody else on YouTube. And they got the audience retention, video and qualities. They have rocket launch right here. So they have embedded videos and social medias. They got build your email list. I didn't even know they was talking about building an email list. They jam-packed this with a whole bunch of information which you can totally benefit from. And they got the end screen showing you how to use the end screens and show you how to use the cards to monetize your YouTube channel. And right here they got the backlinks, access the software here. So like guys, this product is super duper awesome when it comes down to helping you step by step, man. Step by step tutorials is like one of the best tutorials because they're not leaving nothing out. Like it's literally you complete this step, then you go on to the next one. So it's best to follow these videos the way they are presented out in this software. And right here they got engagement boosters, maximize engagement, and just scale your YouTube to its max because YouTube really care about engagement, and good engagement, bad engagements, good comments, bad comments, all of them benefits you in every way possible. And then they're talking about YouTube Shorts taking over TikTok. So everybody is competing with TikTok, man. Like Instagram competing with TikTok with Reels, freaking YouTube competing with TikTok with Shorts. So everybody is trying to be on like a similar TikTok wave. So they are showing you how to use how to use YouTube Shorts and how to optimize your channel. Then they have their case study and upgrades if you wish to upgrade to unlock more secrets to exploding your YouTube channel. And just like those bonuses I just went over that they had to offer, these are the bonuses. You just click it and you receive your bonuses, guys. So this is the inside of Luna. It's super duper amazing. Like who don't want this product right here? It's literally a step-by-step tutorial. It's created by two guys who knows what they are doing, man. These guys have scaled this what is this called? This amazing super duper tactic to the max. That's what it is. They scaled this tactic to the max, guys. And don't forget, you got support. So you will never be lonely because these guys is here to help you out. It's not just a step-by-step tutorial. You have support also. I want to head over to my amazing super duper bonuses. I know y'all was waiting on this. So dun, 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 dun. This is my bonus page. You see, grab Luna right here if you will. So if you're interested in exploding your YouTube channel, getting noticed, getting optimized, and start making money through YouTube, you totally can come to my bio. Check out my link in the comments, and I'm gonna have it in, like I said, my bio, so my description. If you want to, just hit any of these yellow buttons right here that says grab Luna and get your own copy. My page, my bonus page, only gonna be up for 7 days, guys. So you have to act fast. Like you have to act fast, man. Click any of these yellow buttons right here on my bonus page to get your copy of Luna. But I want to go right into my bonuses, man. So right here, this is bonus number 1. how to explode your YouTube channel. This software was created by Brendan Mace, man. If you don't know who Brendan Mace is, he's one of the number top affiliates in the game right now. So right here it says how to explode your YouTube channel to boost your profits with this incredible underground technique, man, given to you from your girl Key. Right here we have bonus number 2. This is Luna, how to get better conversions, man. So everybody knows it's easy to get leads, but it's kind of hard to convert the leads, man. It's kind of hard. I'm not gonna trip, but they have a step-by-step tutorial teaching you how to get better conversion rates, man. And right here, this is bonus number 3, from 0 to 124 hours. So get from 0 to 124 hours to make more out of Luna, man. Get more profits when it comes down to you working with Luna and your boys Khalid Muhammad and Justin Chase. And now we have bonus number 4. This is done for you access auto make done for you. Okay, so this product right here, this is a software. This is freaking awesome because they are giving out free bonuses. I'm giving out, actually, from your boy Jono Armstrong, giving out free bonuses in which you can use as a freebie when it comes down to promoting anything. Like, you could totally go on ClickBank. They have products in every niche on here, like for this done for you page. Like, this is super duper dope. Like, I didn't even know that this product had all this to offer. So they have products for self-help, they have products for weight loss, they have products for make money online. Like, you don't have to stay in the same niche, and you have literally free giveaways in which you can use to roll your conversions, roll leads into conversions. So this is super duper awesome. This is one of my favorite bonuses that I have for you guys, man. Let's get to bonus number 5. And bonus number 5, this is special vendor bonuses, guys. So like I said, my bonus page is not going to be up for long, so you have to click these yellow buttons on my page to get your own copy of Luna today. So if you're interested in making a successful, profitable YouTube channel, hit your girl Key in the description. Hit that link and get your own copy of Luna, in which you'll be given the step-by-step tutorial training and softwares and amazing bonuses on the creator side and my side to scale your online business today. It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me, and I'll see you in my next review video.